I'm going to install REAPER here on my new audio build, on my new home recording build. So I'm here at the REAPER website, and here are your 3 versions. I have already downloaded the Linux installer here. Came as a zipped file. I'm going to extract it. Extract the archive here. Go into the folder and now behold the power of Linux. Let's get this out of the way. Open the terminal here. And this here, this install reaper.sh, that is a shell script. And I should just be able to run this by just calling it. And it should do the rest. Available commands: view readme, run REAPER, install REAPER. You will be prompted. Okay, I is for install. Install 2. I think I want it in my home directory. You'd like to add desktop integration, yes. Confirm. Done. This was the installation of a really powerful digital audio workstation. Pretty amazing. Here it is. Cool. All right, I gotta import my license key. I have that somewhere because I actually paid for the software a while ago. This is a lifelong license, super fair. Wasn't expensive either. I think $59 or so. You can use it for free. It is not free by design, but they're incredibly fair. They let you test as long as you want. I just found this is really an amazing piece of software, and they should get their money, and especially when they're asking for a very moderate price, you get a lifelong license. All right, that was it. That's the installation of REAPER on Linux. In this case, this is Ubuntu Studio here. Should be the same on all of them.